Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2022 Hot Wheels. Today we have the Snowstormer, given to me from my son Samson. It's from the Hot Wheels Rescue number 3 of 10 and number 145 of 250 on the year. I usually save my snow vehicles for when it's snowing, but this is all wheels, no sleds. Just a appearance of tracks. What is the Hot Wheels Rescue series? Fearless and fast to respond, these vehicles save the day. With a 2021 copyright, and this is going to be made in Malaysia. Let's get this out of the package and see how cool it is. At least it has wheels, staying true to the name Hot Wheels. Says Rescue right on the side. Those wheels rolled well. Very nice color. That blue, if we can get a good look at that blue, it's like a teal even, not even a blue. That blue is metal. The teal right there is plastic. White is plastic. Bottom is plastic. So the metal is the blue right there, and it is a metallic. There is a metallic look to that blue. Cool little ride. Let's see how it rolls. Whoa, that's smooth. Look at that. Very smooth. Aha. All right, and how does it roll on my little track? Oh, it flips over. Try that the other direction. Now we're going backwards. Better. Come all the way. Flip it over again. Oh. Let's see if I do it from this way while holding the ball. Going frontwards first. Oh, I missed. I did it too far. Too far, too fast. It's sticking to my finger. And all right, I gotta do it in a different spot. Still frontwards. I didn't even go fast. All right, let's go backwards now. Holding the seat. Does it drift? It has to drift. It's a snow vehicle. Oh! It's not the best drifter. That was right on the line, which is kind of cool, but not really a great drifter. Thanks for checking it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. And till next time, D10 out.